Well, after all this hunting, I'm getting hungry. Let's treat ourselves to an award-winning recipe that Kathy Beitler has prepared.
One of the best ever stir-fried recipes came from Sylvia Tumeth, and this is going to use partridge rather than venison or any of the dark meat that you normally use in stir-fry.
I bet you could use venison.
Sure you could. It would work great in this.
But if you like chicken stir-fry, you will love
Oh, it'd adapt very
grouse.
well.
This is ruffed grouse that Charlie Keenan got last season.
Yep, I'm glad he had it.
Look at that. Excellent white meat. Wow.
You're going to cut this into strips just like you would the dark meat. And you're going to put everything into a wok. So you want to add some oil and then just let the pieces go in and just kind of stir them around real quick. You want them to just kind of hit the pan and get hot.
Well,
you want to actually cook them thoroughly.
Yeah, stir-fry is supposed to be a quick method of cooking.
Yes, it
now,
is.
What was that?
Peanuts, crushed peanuts, and a little bit of sesame seed. And everything goes right in here when the meat goes in. And then you're going to add your regular stir-fried vegetables. You've got mushrooms, red pepper, water chestnuts, and broccoli. And most of the time everything is cut on a diagonal, just for different shapes. And then you put this all into a pan.
And just stir it while it's...
Right. Now, I was really surprised at all the vegetables that really do go into this. There's your regular frozen stir-fried vegetables, and then pea pods. And then you're going to add a glaze out of a envelope out of the regular stir-fry mix. And that's all your spices and everything right in this envelope, and that's it.
No hamburger helper, huh?
No, not in this one.
Boy, there's plenty of ingredients, but it probably doesn't take long to stir this up.
No.
Well, I tell you what, Charlie Keenan likes those vegetables, but he's extremely proud of his grouse.
Well, my grouse is always well cleaned. You're not going to break a tooth. I only hit it with one pellet. And we'll see if this is tender. It has a tendency to dry out when you cook the grouse.
I can tell you right now, it's
It's not
it's
dry out,
exquisite.
yes.
No, it's not. That's very good.
Quick cooking it like that in a wok. Keeps all the moisture and everything right inside. Doesn't have a chance to dry out.
Sauce is good.
Oh, the sauce,
Vegetable flavor
yeah.
comes out.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah, that sauce is real mild. I like that.
And
It's not salty, over
we're going to
salty
bring
at
the
all.
plate up so we don't spill any here.
Boy, this grouse is outstanding. You know what I got, Charlie?
You have more.
That's right.
Save some.
If you're a good boy, I'll let you have some.
There's some ginger in there too, isn't there?
It's in the sauce.
Oh,
Everything's in
I
the
just
sauce.
got a ginger flavor. That's excellent.
It is.